Yeah.
OMG,
OMG, I did it all again. Had to prove it to myself this time. Took a shot and got another win. Better than anyone else with mine. Now they all wanna do it like me. Ooh, this shit is lively. We booming, yeah, rumors are flying. Everyone assuming, yeah, it's all just a game of truth or dare. Luckily, I got it all covered. Ooh, boy, you should see the projection. I'm coming for all of it. Luckily, I don't need any more best friends. I'm back on my wave now. I used to wanna do the press. I don't got no shit to say now. They just wanna talk about some dumb shit. I don't play down, no way. I don't play down, no way. Phony ass will never get my respect. People say they killing shit, but they ain't did the D yet. Every shot I take is big on me. I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't make it to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check. Yeah, get the label up. Now we up and running. Every year's been a blessing, but 16 always been a number. You can't really tell me nothing. I see all these rappers buzzing. They don't get the money, I don't need the fame. I can put you on game, boy, this back game. I run the operation, finally seeing compensation for the work. I don't believe in no moderation. I believe in dream chasing even when it hurts. Hustle, it's a full-time job, trying to keep snakes out the huddle. That's why we been on our own. I'd rather bring it home with my brothers. Bring it home with my brothers, yeah. I don't think it's even halftime for me. If I ever missed, last time was the last time for me. I don't even feel the effect. I need a E-check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't make it to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a E-check.
Halfway, don't think they're ready. But in my whole life, boy, I'm old, not half of these dudes claiming that they artists, but they garbage. Can't fuck with us, just some hometown kids living the dream and we heating up. Outside the collective who beating us.